Hello everyone, welcome back to Skillweb. In this tutorial, I will show you how to block people on Tumblr. So let's get started. At first, make sure you are logged into your Tumblr account. To block someone on Tumblr, go to the blog of the person you want to block. You can do this by searching for their username or finding them in your notifications or message. On the user's blog, locate the three dots, often found near the follow button or in the top right corner of the page. Click on these dots to reveal a drop-down menu. In the drop-down menu, you will see various options. Select Block to prevent the user from interacting with you, including following, messaging, and reblogging your post. After clicking Block, Tumblr will ask you to confirm. Confirm the block and that's it. The user is now blocked and their interactions with you will be restricted. And there you have it. Hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Skillweb.
This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.